Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. The first one what we should do is check is you have the last software version. So open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see this menu. Then go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have firmware version. You need to tap on it and then click at check now. It's checking for updates and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one and it can fix your problem. Next, maybe it's a problem of your audio player. Let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or something else. Firstly, try to remove it from the cache and open it again. And next one, also check is your application have the last version. So open App Store or Google Play and check it and update it if you haven't it. And the last one, what we can do is to perform a factory reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case. And after that, at the front side, we have this connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light is stopped it stopped flashing. So it's just turn off. It's something like 10 seconds. Here we go. Now we can release a finger and open settings, go to the Bluetooth. Firstly, we need to remove it from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that. And after factory reset, this earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. We don't need to use connectional button. Now just tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!